Merry Christmas.
There's a mini
Tell me.
here because he steals so much.
Merry Christmas.
I'm eating a candy cane.
Oh, we got eggs.
Oh, all the eggs.
Breakfast burritos.
Red pepper,
Thanks, Matt.
jalapeno, garlic salt.
Sorry. Daniel's out there braving the snow, you two. What month is it? It is freezing!
Gotta go into town, get some more supplies. People forgot and things, so.
And we just want to get in the warm car.
Quick run to the town.
Can I go backwards? So stinking cold. What is the temperature? 32. You saw it here. It is literally freezing outside.
Whew. Guys, it is like snowing hard. Feels like it's December 1st.
It really does.
Oh,
My
like
brain
out
is
of nowhere.
confused.
It's like, what the heck?
Should we put on Little Drummer Boy by Pentatonics or something? Like, oh my goodness. You guys, it's an adventure.
Sure is.
It's a fun one.
Last night it was cold, but with the heater in there, it was bearable.
It wasn't bad, yeah.
And
I was a lot more cold last weekend.
yeah, it's
Our
supposed to
kids,
snow all day now, so
yeah,
we'll see what happens.
we might have to reevaluate, although none of our kids moved. Like, they were out last night.
So,
Kinley got up once because she needed a drink, but the kids were warm. And Cody and I just kept getting up to turn on and off the heater, so. It's an adventure.
too cold. Now we're headed back to the cold.
Large caffeine supply.
So pretty though.
Okay, snow is melting. Got everyone stacking firewood. Sis, are you having fun?
Yeah.
You see Copers? He's such a good boy, huh? Oh, he loves you. Come here, baby. Run to Ken's.
You can.
Perfect. There you go.
One sec.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Carolina, how'd you poop? So I just got the tent all cleaned up, beds made. Coda and Cars have some of their sweats laying out to dry that got soaked, but I guess while we were gone, the snow got so heavy on top of our tent that that lantern we have hanging from the ceiling up there was touching the ground. So it took my dad and mom and Ryan and Matt and everyone to hurry and go in there, hit all the tent off the roof, sweep it all off. But you guys, it could have broke our brand new tent. So kind of scary, but the weather is looking beautiful now. Most of the snow has melted. Looks awesome.
So I don't even know if we told you guys where we are. We're in Weber Canyon on some private property of some friends, and it is beautiful. Like there's this nice stream. Carson actually just fell in it down this little thing. So he's all drying, just sitting by the fire. But it's just still cold, guys. Like it's probably 40 degrees right now. So we're all just kind of sitting by the fire, trying to get warm, trying to make the most of it. Time for some hot chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah, we need something to keep us warm. Huh.
We're just hoping and praying it doesn't snow again.
Yeah, the sun finally peeked through. Hopefully it stays.
Nice boy, nice boy.
Hi, handsome boy. Good call, Mom. Oh yeah, man, that's perfection. Oh,
Look at the color on the top.
look at complete
Yeah.
roasted marshmallow, perfect.
He made it for his dad.
Sis, are you roasted a marshmallow? Yeah? That's so fun.
You distracted me, babe.
Sorry, my bad.
He didn't make it for his dad.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Love you.
So I don't know if we even told you guys where we are. We're at some private property. So beautiful. There's this little